TV. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I'm finna hit y'all upside y'all head with another banger reaction video. So let's get it. This one should be a lot more, comical for the content I'm gonna react to. This one of the big pranksters out here, man. He go by Young Mooch. I like to watch his shit because he's funny as hell, though. This some new shit he just dropped, so let's check it out.
Hey, get away from me with all that, bro. You on camera? Hey, you on? Bro, stop playing. Bro, stop around here. You died, nigga.
This nigga funny as hell, though.
Oh my God, it's Young Mooch, man.
Boy, Young Mooch.
Today's video, I'm gonna be in different types of hoods, and I'm gonna be throwing up fake gang signs. Now, this video is very, very dangerous. This is a very dangerous video, y'all. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'ma just be at gas stations, hoods, everywhere.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a
throwing
dangerous.
up fake gang signs.
Throwing them gang signs up.
Reaction,
Yeah, he
man.
finna be fucking
now,
with
I don't
people
know how
in a
these
big
people
way
gonna
this
react.
time.
I don't know what they're gonna do. This video, I'm really risking my life, so I need y'all to hit the like button, make sure y'all like, comment, and hit that subscribe button.
Yeah,
too.
make sure y'all like and subscribe on my shit too, man. Like and subscribe
I'm
to
in
the
the
channel.
hood right now.
I appreciate the
this
love.
is a dangerous video. I see two guys. I'm about to go mess with them. They look like they
shit, he
talking
finna get it
over
cracked. Finna get it started.
It's good. Ooh, yeah.
What's up? What's up?
What you mean?
Yeah, what you mean? What's up, nigga?
What's up?
What you talking about?
What you mean what I'm talking about?
What you talking about? Huh?
What you mean, bro?
Oh yeah, boy, if
talking
I'm putting
about?
the gloves on, he
What you
look like he
talking
ain't
about,
playing already. Like, what you talking about, nigga?
Hey,
Oh,
hey, you good? Hey, you on camera? You on camera?
Niggas,
Hey, you on camera? We recording you. We recording you on camera. You on camera. Hey, slide that vote. You on camera. You on camera.
slide it,
Bye,
bro.
bye. You on camera. All right, you on camera. You relax. It's a video. You good? Get him. You on camera. You on camera. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, you can't be playing with OG them like that, man.
Yeah.
Fuck around, beat
See
your ass to a
somebody
bloody
posted
pope out
up
there.
in the car.
Hey, Young
Back
Mooch, that
in,
nigga
hit
funny,
the
man.
light.
He
I'm risking my
really be
life,
reaching
man.
with these pranks.
Woo, yeah.
What the fuck you doing, bro? What you got going on?
To me.
Bro, get away from me with all that hoe ass shit, bro. Nigga, you know where you at? Bro, stop playing. Bro, stop playing, bro. Go on, bro. Go on, bro.
All right,
Your
bro.
fool ass on, boy.
All right, bro. You tripping. Me. It was it.
Do you know where you at, boy? Do
me.
you know where you at? Boy, stop throwing that hoe ass
me,
shit up.
bro.
Boy, go on if I drop your hoe ass, boy.
He said, going on before I drop your whole ass, boy.
Bitch ass home, boy, before you get popped, boy.
All right, you tripping. Hey, you on camera. We recording you. We filming you right there.
Man, fuck that camera,
To
man.
me.
Fuck that camera.
You on video.
Fuck that camera, boy.
that camera.
Down on for this, you get your ass whooped on camera,
You
boy.
on camera, bro.
Boy, you know where the fuck you at, boy?
You on camera, bro. You on camera.
wouldn't give
We
a
was
fuck,
recording
boy.
you. We was recording
Boy,
you.
you better
We was
get your
recording
bitch
you.
ass on,
We was
boy.
recording you, bro.
Pop your top out here, boy. You in Houston, boy. You
All right,
ain't doing
chill.
all that shit, boy.
You on camera. We was recording you.
Boy said, you in Houston, boy.
Yo. Yes, sir. It's good.
Fuck is that, nigga? Fuck you on, nigga. You high?
What you mean?
You high something, nigga?
What you mean, bro?
What, you high something? You on crack or something? What's up? What's up, homeboy?
You good, bro? You on my area.
Ain't no area around here, nigga. You better get the fuck from around here, nigga, before you die, nigga. Nigga, what the fuck? Nah, crack your ass
This
one
niggas
of
be
these
fucking
chips or
with
something,
people all
nigga.
day.
Good, bro.
Fuck up out this joint, man. Fuck up out the stove, bro. Get up out of here, bro.
You tripping,
Get
bro.
on back on your side of town,
You
bro.
good, bro.
Get the fuck up out of here, bro.
You good. Good, bro.
Get the fuck up out of here, folks.
Tripping, bro. Ah, you good?
He
You
said you
recording? You on
tripping,
camera?
bro.
You on camera?
Aren't you good?
You on camera? We was messing with you. We was pranking you. You was on video.
Hey, play it. I'm the fuck about that prank.
Y'all good?
How y'all doing this morning? God bless
Good,
y'all and
bro.
your family, man. In the mighty Jesus' name, brother.
What's good, bro? OG? Y'all good?
Yeah, hey, y'all going your brother with Bill. Fix his rap train.
Huh?
Trying to get a bill. You know what I'm saying?
You hungry?
Yes, indeed.
You hungry?
Yes.
All right, let's get you something to eat.
Amen. Amen.
What's up? You hungry?
Rico, feel forward, man.
You hungry?
Best food game one time. That's funny.
Where you from?
Feel forward.
Fifth Ward?
Excuse me, I got dope in my hand.
What you got?
Rock.
Show us.
My boy got the live
Shit,
rock right there.
y'all know where we at.
I smoke with him, man. I ain't ashamed
He
of
keeping it real. He said,
Yeah.
shit, I
I've been doing
smoke.
it for years, you know, bro.
You been doing it for years?
Yeah, it's been my everybody been for something.
Yeah.
So that's what I had been for.
You
Yes,
hungry, right? I got you. Whatever.
But I don't like lying.
Nah, you hungry? I got you.
I'm thirsty.
You thirsty?
Regardless
Yeah,
of what a
yeah.
man do, you gotta respect the man's honesty. You dig?
I smoke cigarettes, smoke good smoke. Y'all gotta excuse me. I got post-traumatic stress PTSD of a shot. Blunt force trauma. So
What that is?
that's my gunshot surgery. So if I get a little, it's because I got PTSD.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying about
There
everybody
you go,
don't see
bro.
the cup the same
You
way.
wanted a lottery ticket, this and the egg. That's it. You don't want nothing to eat.
Don't wanna over.
Nah, if you want, you can grab some chips. You
A
can.
lottery ticket. What do you say? An egg? I think I heard
Yeah,
an egg. I'm tripping. Maybe I might be.
If y'all can make any small differences, y'all should do that. Any little thing, should do that. Any little thing that can make somebody's day, go ahead and do that.
Yeah, make sure y'all bless y'all people, man. Let's
Let's
bless
do it.
our people, man.
$1, $3, $4.
Let's do it. That's all you want, bro?
God bless you and your family, man.
Yeah, for sure,
Keep them
bro.
covered, man.
Anytime.
In mighty Jesus' name, man. Appreciate that, man. Real
sure.
niggas, real things, man.
For sure. You be safe, bro. Sometimes even the smallest things can make somebody's day. So y'all gotta do whatever, anything y'all can. Even have a nice day or anything. You know, I challenge every one of y'all to do something positive, and just do something nice. And yeah, that can make somebody's day, man. So spread positivity, be nice and kind, and just keep going, man. We going.
Positive vibes, man.
Yo.
See who he
On my
fucking with
block.
next. Oh, this nigga rolling up, man. Nigga ain't trying to hear that shit right now.
Nigga, I'm hustling. Nigga, fuck you mean? Nigga, what's up? Man, bro, get the fuck on, bro. You tripping, man.
You on my block.
Man, it's my block. Nigga, what you mean, nigga?
You on my block.
Man, you on my block, man. What you talking about, bro?
That nigga came
You on
out
my
the
block,
hood,
bro.
finna get
Man, you
real.
on my block, nigga. What you mean?
You on my block.
Man, come here, fam.
Alright, you good. You good.
Come here, man.
You good. You good. You good, bro. You good. You on my block, bro.
Oh, nigga. I don't know about your business if I hurt you, fam.
You on my block, bro.
Bro, come here, bro.
Yep, that's
Snatched
me.
him out one time.
You're
Nigga,
probably
come here,
wondering
bro.
how I ended up in this
That
situation.
nigga Mooch funny, man. He stayed fucking with niggas, bro. He go to the extreme. I seen a nigga get slammed. He fucked with a nigga at a jewelry store, got slammed from the
Chinese
glass.
food. I ain't
That
gonna lie,
nigga
this
be
smells
going in
good,
for his
bro.
supporters that watch that nigga.
I like Chinese food. It's good. It's for you.
You gotta be really dedicated.
It's some
Yeah,
chicken and
motherfucker
some rice.
that be pranking people. Like, you gotta be dedicated to that shit.
Yeah, man. They just wanted to show y'all and to motivate y'all, encourage y'all to do the same, because doing little stuff like that can really make a big difference. Y'all do the same, man. Anything, the smallest stuff counts. So anything positive, just do that. Y'all keep going, man. You can do anything you want to do in life. And all that, man. Make sure y'all like, comment if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, that was Young Mooch.
You so cute.
God, what y'all doing?
Damn!
He got all
I know you just
But yeah, there y'all go, man. Little comedy for the day. You know that nigga Young Mooch, he funny as hell, man. He be reaching on the people he be fucking with on his pranks. But yeah, make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel at Rome Certified TV. Yeah!